shirt with the frog on it. Because we didn't want to get your Funky Monkey t-shirt dirty, right? Are you looking at your fingers? That's a pretty blue.
Last time I used some purple.
Next we'll use the purple.
I need it.
Yeah. And then we got to paint the bottom, but I think we should put polka dots on the bottom. What do you think? Oh, look at you.
Not working.
It's not working? You put a little more paint on. You need more paint on there? Oh, there you go. Get that little blob out of there. There we go. There. Just a little more paint it needs. That's all. Do you like painting? Yeah? You're very good at it. I like the pretty colors. How about you?